Hi everybody, welcome back to Revolve HQ. And today I'm going to teach you one of my favorite toppings, and it's probably the topping that surprises people the most and becomes a firm favorite when I do my pizza sessions. So what is it? It's a mortadella, pistachio, ricotta and lemon pizza. Now, it's a white pizza, and I want to talk to you a little bit about white pizzas because I think they're really important, especially when you're running a pizza party and you want to have a range of different toppings. It's always good to have a couple of really nice white pizzas. And when you make a white pizza, you have a few options on how to achieve your base. The first is to just use your mozzarella, and you can put a lot of mozzarella down on the base, and that gives you a white, cheesy base to your pizza. Or if you want to make it a bit more rich and a bit more special, a little bit more luxurious, you can use a cream, like this is a pasta cream or even a whipping cream, but quite a thick cream that you can spread on your dough, and that's going to take it up another level and make it really rich if that's what you want. The story of this pizza starts with our base, and we're doing a white pizza. So how do we get a nice white base for our pizza? And I'm really excited to share this one with you because for me this is a topping that it's not an obvious one. It's not one that people have tried before, and that always is something fun. When you're running a pizza party and you're doing a variety of different toppings, it's always good to have a few up your sleeve that people haven't maybe tried before. That way you got the wow factor. So let's just take our cream here and we'll just put that on the base and spread it out like that. And that's laying the foundations for what's going to be a really special pizza. Okay. Now, a little bit of our Parmesan. Now we're starting to build the story. Mozzarella all over the base. And you might notice that the mortadella is actually not on my chopping board at the moment. That's because I always keep it in the fridge right until the last moment. Just because I find mortadella, because it's cut so thinly, it will react with the air and change color. So little tip when you're doing this pizza, perhaps keep your mortadella in the fridge until the last moment when you're ready to top, and then bring it out. And that way you're just gonna have a much more vibrant looking pizza. Okay, so now we basically just have a very cheesy story. And this is where we start to make it interesting. So we'll just zest our beautiful lemon here, and the smells are just incredible. Lemon Zest, for me, is one of the most underrated toppings that you can put on a pizza. And every time people try this pizza, they're amazed by the lemon zest and what it brings to the combination. So if you don't believe me, definitely try it, and it will change your mind about lemon on pizza for sure. So there we go, we've got our lemon zest nicely all over the top. We've got our mozzarella, we've got our cream. The rest of the story is going to happen once we take the pizza out the oven. We're going to top it with our mortadella, a little bit of ricotta, and our lemon juice and our pistachio crust. So that's it really. We'll just add a little bit of olive oil, and we're going to throw our white pizza into the oven, and we're going to cook it for 70 seconds, and then we'll continue the story after it's cooked. So we'll turn, as always, the flame down low. We'll stop the revolve and we'll put the pizza in the oven. Okay, while the pizza is cooking, we can just start to shell our pistachios. Deshell our pistachios. And we're gonna do a little bit of a chef's trick, and we're gonna give it a pistachio crumb on the outside. So just keep half an eye on your pizza. Obviously it's revolving, so it's cooking nice and evenly. Look at that, cheese is dancing. Okay, let's go get our pizza. La 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 la, come on. Look at this pizza, beautiful. Now, you could absolutely cut that up right now, add a few chili flakes. Oh, that's gonna be a good pizza. But we're gonna take it to the next level. Right, okay, let's get our mortadella here. And you can just roll it up like this and just make little pockets. There's no real formula to this, just try and give it a bit of height. That's the only thing. Don't be stingy with the mortadella, put more, because people all want a piece of mortadella with their pizza. This is our ricotta. Just use your pinky and push it like that onto the pizza. And you can just put them in and around the mortadella. Lemon juice. Just squeeze it all over, and that burst of freshness with the undercurrent of the lemon zest that we already have on the pizza is just gonna elevate it, and people are gonna have that really fresh, zingy flavor in their mouth with the ricotta. Trust me, lemon juice at the end. And then the final thing is to put our pistachio, and that just is one of the best white pizzas you're gonna ever have, I promise you. Make it for your guests, blow their mind. Get in touch with me and let me know. Did people love the lemon zest? Because I'm sure they did. That's it. That's our beautiful ricotta, lemon, pistachio, and mortadella pizza. Mamma mia.